How are we doing, everyone? We're back with another Go Mining video. I hope everyone's doing well because I'm doing fucking swell. Now, this video is going to be about my $54,000 USD Bitcoin mining farm and how much I make daily, how much I make monthly, and how much I make yearly after electrical and service fees. So basically just after maintenance fees in both US dollars and Canadian dollars. Now, I only have 3 Bitcoin miners, but all 3 of them together equal 3,088 terahash of Bitcoin mining power, or about 3.09 petahash of Bitcoin mining power at 15 watts per terahash. Absolutely insane. Now, luckily, all 3 of my Bitcoin miners are at whole numbers like 16, 512, and 2,560 terahash. So for me to easily find out exactly how much I'm making every month, day, year, I can just come on over to the create a new Bitcoin miner. And if you want to create a new Bitcoin miner, you know, a referral link will be down in the description below. You get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchased. But anywho, if I come on down to custom, scroll all the way up, I can click on a 16 terahash Bitcoin miner. I'll click on daily maintenance fees paid in Bitcoin, and we're going to change the Bitcoin price to the current, which is $67,044.92. Now, usually every single day, I have my 16 terahash Bitcoin miner pay its maintenance fees in GMT because I always have enough. If I come on down here to my dashboard and scroll down, you'll see that, well, not these ones, the 88 and 43, 90 and 44, that is paying for my my 16 terahash Bitcoin miner, which together is about 39 cents. 40 cents, but also not to mention that on a regular basis, I am mining about 0.0002 or 0.00025 Bitcoin. We're just going to use the lower number. So if I come on over to calculator, 0.0002 times that by 50 days, that equals 0.01 Bitcoin. So 1%. So I am mining 1% of a Bitcoin every 50 days. To me, that's just astonishing. That is absolutely astonishing. But now back to what we're going to, our daily, monthly, and yearly rewards in USD and Canadian, and we're just going to be going based off a dollar amount. So again, I'm going to click the new miner, scroll on down, custom, 16 terahash, daily, current price, and maintenance paid in Bitcoin. And so for the 16 terahash Bitcoin miner at daily rewards, using Bitcoin as the maintenance fee, even though we already know that for that 16 terahash Bitcoin miner, I am paying the maintenance fees in GMT, so I'm actually getting the full cool reward. I said full. We are getting 46 cents. So we're going to put it 46 cents plus. Now we're going to move on over to our 512 terahash Bitcoin miner. Now this one, we don't always pay the maintenance fees in GMT, so we're just going to use it as the net reward of $1.99 plus $1.99 plus move on over to our 2,560 terahash Bitcoin miner. This one we obviously don't usually have $64 of GMT to pay for the maintenance fees every single day, so we're going with the net reward again of $10.12 plus $10.12. That brings us to $12.57 USD every single day in passive income, or in Canadian dollars times 1.365. I don't know if the exchange rate is 1.36 or 1.37, so we're just going to split the difference with 1.365, which equals $17.15 every single day. Passively. Gotta love that. But now we're going to see what it is monthly. So $12.57 USD times 30, $377.10 USD every single month, or $514.74 every single day. Passively. We love to see that. Every single month. And now we're going to go for the yearly. So we got to divide this by 30, times this by 365, because we all know there's 365 days in a year. After a year, that is $4,588.05 USD passively, or 1.365 equals $6,262.68 Canadian every single year. Passively. Passive income. Passive. Just doing absolutely fucking nothing. Now, time to see what it is for $100,000 Bitcoin. Now, this was at the current exchange rate, so we're going to go to $100,000. Again, we're paying our maintenance fees in GMT for our 16 terahash miner because it only costs 40 cents, or as we saw, it was like 39 cents, but it rounds up to 40, I guess. This would be 69 cents every single day. That is quite the sexy number, 69 plus. Come on over to our 512 terahash Bitcoin miner. That is going to be $9.32 net reward every single day, plus 9.32 plus. Now we're going to move on to the big boy, he's a big boy, the 2,560 terahash Bitcoin miner. Look, like this one alone is already like 3.5 times the amount with all of them put together from the current exchange rate, from $100,000 per Bitcoin plus 46.78 every single day. It would be $56.79 USD through passive income. Again, I keep saying passive because you guys gotta understand, it takes no effort to do this. We're doing absolutely nothing. It's just investing and you're getting money back. That's what I love about it. That's what I love about Bitcoin mining. Now for the Canadian, $77.51 Canadian every single day. That is fucking beautiful. Now what it is monthly. monthly? What is it monthly times 30 equals $1,703.70 USD. Now for Canadian, $2,225.55. That's how much I make bi-weekly, working 12 hours a day, 5 days a week. This will be making the same amount, actually a little bit more than I make bi-weekly doing physical labor, and this does absolutely nothing. It also works on the weekends, so you gotta fucking love that. You gotta love that, man. Now for the yearly, divide this by 30, times it by 365. That is $20,728.35 USD every single year. Or in Canadian, $28,294. That is more than I was making while working part-time in high school. That's kind of sad, to be honest, that something that has passive income makes more than what I was making, you know, slicing meat in a deli department. Goddamn, man, goddamn, look at that. Passive income is the best. And now we're gonna go to the $150,000 per Bitcoin, what it would be with passive income. It's also the highest one that, you know, you can go to on GoMining until, you know, we hit new all-time highs, and it's probably gonna go up to like 200,000 to see what it would be. But anywho, for a 16 terahash Bitcoin miner, again, maintenance fees are gonna be paid in GMT, thanks to the people who are my referrals, because you guys help me, and by helping me, I help you with that extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase when you use my referral code. So for this, I'll be making $1.04 every single day, just for this one. $1.04. $1.04. That's enough to pay for an espresso every single day alone. Now we're gonna go to our 512 terahash Bitcoin miner. This one is gonna be making, oh my god, look at that, $20.42 a day. That's pretty nice. But now for the best one is the 2,560 terahash Bitcoin miner, which will be making $102.26 a day at $150,000. Altogether, that is $123.72 USD, or $168.87 Canadian every single day. I don't know about you guys, but some full-time jobs in Canada after taxes, this is how much you're making. So this is basically a full-time job at $150,000 per Bitcoin. Fuck, man, that's crazy. Now let's see what it is monthly. $3,711.60 USD. That's amazing. I've never seen something more amazing. Now, what is it going to be in Canadian dollars? In the Canadian dollars. Whoa, $5,066.33.4. This is after maintenance fees. This is actually more than I make monthly after taxes. Now that hurts the ego. That does hurt my ego a little bit. God damn, man. God damn. God damn. Now divide this by 30. Let's see what it is yearly. $45,157.80 USD in 1 year when Bitcoin's $150,000. Holy shit. What is it in Canadian? I already know this is going to be more than my yearly pay after taxes. And it is $61,640.39. Call it 40 cents. Why not? This is more than I make after taxes. And I work 12-hour days. Oh my god, brother. Oh my god. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine making $61,000? Well, technically, round it up a little bit, $62,000 in passive income every year. Well, when Bitcoin's at $150,000, that's what I'm going to be making. Talk about a big boy reward. Talk about a big boy reward. Now, the plan for me is to get up to 5,000 terahash, which it will show you 5,000 terahash alone. You'll be making about $200 every single day, depending on certain factors that come into place, you know. But $200 times 1.365 is $273.19 Canadian. I'm just gonna skip over the monthly, and we're just gonna go to yearly on this. I just want to see what the yearly is. Holy shit, $100,000. I'll call it. We're off by 300, but I'm gonna call it $100,000 Canadian after maintenance fees every single year. That's usually like a manager position. That's fucking crazy. That is fucking crazy. What is it in USD? Because I didn't do the USD one. I did not do the USD one. Times 365. I know I could just click on the yearly on this, but I want to see it on a calculator. That is $73,051 USD a year in passive income. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit, man. That's just crazy to see. So my $51,000 USD investment at $150,000 per Bitcoin will be making me about $45,000 USD a year. Let's do a little round of applause. Let's do a round of applause. Beautiful. I don't know if my mic's picking this up, but I'm giving myself a round of applause. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Now, if anyone does want to get, started in some passive income, of course, do your own research, do some other stuff. But if you want to get started with Bitcoin mining, a referral link will be down in the description below. You can get started with as little as 1 terahash. And with my referral code, you'll get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase. So if you get 1 terahash, you'll actually get 1.05 terahash. There is no option for 10 terahash. So you can't get that 0.5 terahash. Well, you can if you do, like 16 terahash or 8 terahash, but it's going to be a little bit above or a little bit below. Or if you get the 96 terahash, well, 96 divided by 100 times 5 equals 4.8 terahash absolutely for free if you use my referral code. Or, you know, if you want to be a big boy baller, a partial big boy baller, and you want to get that 1024 terahash, well, divide that by 100 times that by 5. That is 51.2 terahash absolutely for free just because you use my referral code. Or, you know, if you are the biggest baller there is, that 500 terahash, I don't think we need to do the math on it. It's going to be 250 terahash. We already know this. 5,000 divided by 100 times 5. That's 250 terahash absolutely for free. And 250 terahash, well, they have 256 terahash at current rates. That's $3,875.99 absolutely for free just because you use my referral code. Or, Masil, or if you already have a Bitcoin miner, they're having 30% discounts across the board while Bitcoin is below $70,000. So I would take advantage if I were you. I took advantage. I upgraded my 503 terahash Bitcoin miner to 512 because I'm retarded and I have OCD and I don't like seeing it at 503. I needed it to be at a whole number like 512. But that is just me. That is just me. So this has been my video on my $54,000 USD Bitcoin mining farm. And soon enough, we'll be adding more terahash to get to that 5,000 terahash. So soon enough, it will be probably a $75,000 or $80,000 Bitcoin mining farm in the near future. We appreciate you guys for watching. I love all of you and God bless all of you and take care. Take care, everyone.
Here it is. I am money.
I am healthy, I am true, I am confident, I am